So ladies and gentlemen, finally Sui Airdrop will get listed and the listing day is February 25th. A lot of people are bullish on this airdrop. I joined it late and I'm not really expecting much from it, but it's not a bad try. Now they've released some exchanges that we can connect our Sui to for withdrawal. So if I click on my Sui right now, you're going to see on my screen that they've released some exchanges. Normally for all my airdrop connections, I do like to use Bitget, but this time around I will be using Gates.io. Reason being that so far that I've been using Bitget, I've discovered that Bitget is always listing below prices that other exchanges are listing on. So I just want to try something new this time around. Now you can see the exchanges they are listing on is Bitget number 1 here, Gates.io number 2, and KuCoin. And they possibly might be releasing some more exchanges. You can also withdraw to on-chain. Yes, you can withdraw on-chain, and this one simply means you withdraw to your Tonkeeper wallet. So you basically have to connect your wallet and then you withdraw depending on which one you want to do. But as for me, I want to use exchange. Now you can use this also, but if you don't have gas fee, I would advise you should not do this because they are listing on Ton. Before you be able to send out your coins or swap or convert or anything, you need gas fee and you need to purchase Ton if you are using this on chain. But if you want to convert for free or you want to send out to any vendor that you want to sell to for free or whatsoever, make sure you are using an exchange. Now to connect to Gate.io, I simply click on this Gate.io here. If you don't have a wallet already, you can go ahead and create, but I have a wallet, so I'll simply click on yes, I have. Now the next thing is to copy my Gate UID, my Sui wallet address, and the memo. Now head into my Gate.io. Once on the page, what I want to simply do is to click on this profile icon at the top left of my screen. If you want to connect your KuCoin or your Bitget, the method is still the same thing regardless of the exchange you're using. All these exchanges, they do similar things. So you basically have to click on the hamburger menu, you go to your profile section. If you are using Bitget, the UID is going to display immediately here, but since this is Gate.io, it is different. For this one, I still have to click an extra button, and this is the button here, this little arrow button here. Once you click on it, you can see this is your UID boldly displaying. So the next thing I want to do is to copy my UID, then head back out of that page, and then I'll head into my Telegram to paste in my UID before going back to copy my Sui wallet address. Alright, make sure to confirm that this your UID is correct so as to avoid loss of tokens. Now once you're on this page, the next thing you want to do is to click on this deposit button that is displaying your screen. You select on chain, and then with this search bar on the page, you search for Sui. Alright, after searching for Sui, as you can see, Sui is not displaying on my screen here. This one is Zoom, Dizo, WZM, and the likes. So apparently what this means is that they've not really generated the Sui whatever here on this page. But since the deposit is available on Sui already and it is listing on Ton blockchain, what you simply need to do is to copy your Ton wallet address and use it instead, because the wallet address will be the same with the Sui address regardless. So what we're going to do here is to type in Ton, and then alright, you can see Ton Open Network. The next thing I want to do is to open up my Ton homepage, and then got it. I'm going to be copying my Ton wallet address, and this is the memo. So the next thing I want to do also is to copy the memo. Then I'll head back into my Telegram. So the next thing to do here is to first of all go into my clipboard. Then I'm going to be pasting in the wallet address, and after that I'm going to put in the memo. Make sure not to confuse the memo with your UID. So after pasting it, the next thing is to click on save and choose. And once that is out of the way, successfully connected our wallet address. What we now have to wait for is the listing day, which is February 25th. Before then, you can also change if you wish to. As you can see, you have from now till February 22 to link your wallet address. So if I decide to click on this reset withdrawal right now, I can still click and deposit to my Bitget or any other exchange that they might possibly be adding. But I think I'm okay with this gate.io, so that is it. I'm almost bullish on this zoo, just as I started late, but I'm almost bullish on it because so far this airdrop has kept to their promises. Anytime they say they'll do something, they do it. When they say they want to deposit, they start deposit. When they say they want to end mining, they end mining, and they've been following consistently. So let's see how the listing goes. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video, and use the link in the description box of this video to join my Telegram channel.